Today on TALON TV, TALON students work with Minecraft, community VIPs see TALON Robotics firsthand, and TALON takes. This and more next on TALON TV. Welcome to TALON TV. I'm Luke Lewis. Our robot builders are working hard preparing their robots for the TALON Robotics Showcase Tuesday morning in the Winter Haven campus gym. A key ingredient for success during the showcase is a well-programmed robot. Let's start today with a look at software called Minecraft that TALON students are using to learn how to program robot instructions.
So the kids are using computer craft in Minecraft EDU to learn how to code. It allows them to practice the same skills that they use down here, but in a virtual setting, so it makes it a little bit easier. Same sort of robotic logic and everything else.
What we're doing is basically we're playing Minecraft, and it is actually a very fun way to learn programming. So it's basically a mix between using robots, or programming for the EV3s, and a mix between just playing Minecraft and having fun.
When playing Minecraft, they would have this little mod, it's like a turtle mod, and you would go into the turtle, which is a block, and you would program to do things. You would program it to mine, you would program it to place blocks, you would program it to move, and we use that to like build a bridge out of multiple of these to go over lava that we couldn't travel through.
For these past few days with robots, but the one thing that it has is programming. We have to program the turtles to do stuff we want, like dig. So, and for the robot, we have to use the computer to program the robot too.
We did this thing we had these blocks that sort of represent a robot, because you have to use it to solve a problem that you have in the world. So since our problem was we had to get over this lava, that we just make it move and sort of program it as we would a robot to do a certain task that we couldn't do.
It taught me to move forward and backward and to the side, and it gave me the experience I needed to actually program on the computer.
Well, we had to figure out a lot of stuff. We had to program these things to get somewhere, so that helped us. We have to program a robot in this to get somewhere.
You can't bring cool technology and eager students together without drawing attention to what's happening. Some of our community members and program supporters stopped by to take a first-hand look at the excitement surrounding Polk State College TALON Robotics.
3, 2, 1, sumo.
TALON Robotics is the overarching program. We have 4 components to the program. Our middle school students are EagleBots, and those are entering 6th through 8th grade. We have EagleBot mentors, which are 11th and 12th grade exemplar students who have been recommended by our TALON instructors, who also help assist the students. We have our digital media component. And the 4th component is our TechnoBots program, which is our high school program entering 9th through 12th graders.
I think this is a great program, and I'm glad that Polk State College has decided to offer this program over the summer and utilize this. STEM is very important, and that I'm impressed that there are not just young guys trying to play with robots, but they have young ladies also trying to learn about the importance of the STEM program. So I think this is a great program, and hopefully to keep expanding.
Oh, this is pretty freaking cool. I mean, the things that these kids are learning, they're also learning how to work together, which is really nice to teach kids to, don't just think of yourself, think of other people too. But the skills that they're learning, they're thinking for themselves, they're asking for help, but they're not being told what to do. So this is just really good. It's teaching them so much more than they'll get at school.
Coming up, we've got the latest from the TALON Robotics scene in today's TALON Takes. But first, let's meet some of our TALON mentors, our high school volunteers helping our students and instructors throughout the program.
More than 25 students serve as robot mentors for TALON Robotics. According to Michael Mortonate, the Lakeland Talent Site Administrator, the mentors work hard to help keep everything running smoothly.
The mentors are indispensable to our TALON program. We have 10 juniors and seniors who already understand the robotics program, so they help instruct our students, and they help with the programming and the building. They also help with things that are behind the scenes, like getting our lunches together and really making sure all of our students are where they need to be.
All mentors are volunteers, and some are former TALON students giving back knowledge to current students.
My name is Nanda Patel, and I'm currently a mentor at the TALON Robotics, mainly the Technobots, the ones who work with the Vex Robotics, the Vex kids. I was a Technobots a few years ago when the program wasn't as large. I worked with the Vex kids, that's why I feel like I'm more comfortable with the high school kids. Because the entire concept of robotics can apply to a whole number of things. With new technological advances, I feel like any field that I go into, whether it be law, business, finance, or any of the sciences, robotics is going to play some role in there. And whether or not I decide to take robotics as like the focus that's in that whatever field I feel interested in is up to the future. But I like to keep my options open, so mentoring here helps with all of that.
Our mentors are phenomenal at helping to kind of fill in little gaps and make relationships with the kids. They are there to help with troubleshooting, help with giving ideas, helping kids find ideas, and making what the kids want to do a reality.
My name is Megan Mahapatra. I go to Bartow High School. I'm part of the IB program there. I help them with programming and building the robots, also with keeping time.
Here are the Lakeland and Winter Haven 2016 TALON Robotics mentors. Thank you for your service.
My favorite part of TALON is building the robots.
My favorite part about TALON Robotics so far is every time we arrive at a problem with our robots, we're allowed to be free to fix the problem and adapt it to any way we need to.
Putting the robot together in general is pretty cool, and then there's also cool people here, I guess.
We are programming our robots to follow a certain path.
We're working with these things, and they measure the amount of the distance that our robot goes each rotation, and we're supposed to use that to kind of guide our robot through an obstacle course.
I was trying to put the shaft encoders on my bot. I just finished that, so yeah.
I'd like to be a combat engineer in the military when I grow up.
An aerospace engineer.
This is just more of a hobby because I'm an artist and I plan on doing a career in animation or something.
That's all for today. We've got a lot coming up in our next episode of TALON TV, and we want to invite you to join us for the TALON Robotics Showcase Tuesday at 10 a.m. in the Winter Haven Polk State College gym. Arrive early and get a great seat for the action. I'm Luke Lewis. From all the TALON Robotics staff, thanks for watching TALON TV.